Brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Femi tablets. Femi tablets contain famotidine 40 mg. This is used for hyperacidity, heartburn and peptic ulcers. It's made by Batala Pharmaceuticals. It has 10 tablets in it and the price for one box is 110 rupees. Famotidine is used to treat ulcers of the stomach and intestines and to prevent intestinal ulcers from coming back after they have healed. This medication is also used to treat certain stomach and throat problems such as erosive esophagitis, gastroesophageal reflux disease, Zollinger-Ellison syndrome. It works by decreasing the amount of acid your stomach makes. It relieves symptoms such as cough that doesn't go away, stomach pain, heartburn and difficulty swallowing. Famotidine belongs to a class of drugs known as H2 blockers. This medication is also available without a prescription. It is used to prevent and treat heartburn and other symptoms caused by too much acid in the stomach. If you're taking this medication for self-treatment, it is important to read the manufacturer's package instructions carefully so you know when to consult your doctor or pharmacist. Take this medication by mouth, with or without food, or as directed by your doctor, usually once or twice daily. If you're taking this medication once daily, it is usually taken right before bedtime. The dosage and length of treatment are based on your medical condition and response to therapy. In children, dosage may also be based on body weight. You may take other medications for your condition as recommended by your doctor. Take this medication regularly in order to get most benefit from it. To help you remember, take it at the same time each day. There are some side effects of this medication which include headaches, constipation, diarrhea, dizziness, fainting and seizures. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.